Good morning. Doing a little pull here. That's a good way to start the day, isn't it, boys and girls? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's keep it up. Yeet! What's going on, guys? It's another good day here for some content. We're going to go ahead and go work on the Passat. Today we're going to attempt to address some vacuum line issues. I'm led to believe that the factory airbox heat shield has rubbed a hole in one of my vacuum lines. Let's check that out. Alright guys, so here's the 18T. So today's plan basically is, as you can see here, there's this heat shield right here on the airbox. And if you remove this plastic cover and just kind of throw it somewhere else, you see you have your airbox right here. We're going to take this off, take all this out, disconnect these little bits here just to get it off of the housing. We're going to remove the housing and we're going to get down in here by the turbo. You can't really see because there's all this crap in the way, but there's a line right down in here. I don't know if you can really see that. That needs to be taken care of. It's like right down in this general vicinity here. It's like right down in there. We got a line there that's broken, so we're gonna go ahead and start taking this stuff apart here, and just bear with me here while we get that done. All right, so let's start removing this intake here. First things first, we're gonna jimmy it loose from the airbox. Let's chuck it out of the way. Oh, it's a little dirty down there. Look at that. It's a little dirty. It's a little dirty down in there. Let's go ahead and get our tools and get that out of the way. So this is always the fun part about working on cars. Try not to lose everything as you take them apart. Alright. Alright, ladies and gents, as you guys can probably see here, we got everything pulled out. We're just down to like the airbox spot I'm being left in here. As you see down there, there's the forged diverter splitter valve or whatever the car came with when I bought it. Looking here, you can clearly see that there's definitely a vacuum leak starting right in this little area right here. The heat shield here on the airbox has been rubbing it right here where that clean spot is. I'm thinking, so that's probably the source of one of our vacuum leaks. Man, that turbo is crusty. My lord. That is a crusty turbski there, guys. Crusty little turbski. Now there's the N75 valve. That's factory as well. Seems like pretty much everything on this car is factory, so yeah, so we're gonna see what we can do here to address this. I have no idea how to take these things off, so we're gonna have to look into that. But we have the hockey puck pulled out right now and everything, just trying to get her going. Got the air filter right here. If it'll actually autofocus as it should. There we go. So yeah, we have the filter here. So bear with me. I'm gonna go ahead and dive in some more and see what else I can find. Right now we're feeling pretty defeated. I had everything torn out. Stock airbox was taken out. We literally had it stripped down. The pancake valve was out. I didn't take out the splitter valve. However, after driving the vehicle, something's up with that thing. It's weird. I think it's sticking open because like it builds boost. It was building it kind of funky. It was only like getting like 6 pounds. And it was only like holding 6 pounds. Like it would spike to like 7, but it was only holding 6 pounds. The car itself from factory should be running about 8 to 10 pounds. So I went ahead and I cranked that a couple more turns clockwise to see if maybe tightening that spring in there up will make it hold the boost a little more. So I pulled up into a parking lot and did that. There really isn't a lot to go on in this video today. It was just a simple thing. I wanted to look at a vacuum leak. Sadly, I couldn't really progress much farther with it because I do not have a pair of side cutters or any kind of snips to cut the factory crimp-on style vacuum line hose clamps off. So until I can remove those, I can't remove the vacuum line where we have like the issue. So for the time being, I just kind of wrapped it in something to insulate the hole, that like the small pinhole that's in it. I put I kind of ghettoed it up, but I put 2 small worm clamps in the one big one on the secondary air injection hose. So the one that goes on the intake up to the air box down to the secondary air injection pump, and I got the pump plugged back in. I'm sorry I didn't record that, guys. It's feeling pretty defeated today, so I put everything back together. I took it for a drive. It feels all right, but there's more work to be done. We'll see you guys in the next video. I appreciate you guys watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at B5 Bomber_ right here, right now on the screen. And again, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much.